Join me as I dive into the mind-blowing question, what would really happen if a supernova exploded right before my eyes? Let's find out! What if, one night, you looked up at the sky and saw a cosmic explosion so bright it rivaled the moon? What if the heavens lit up in dazzling colors, a light show from the death of stars colliding? This isn't science fiction. It's a kilonova! And the question is, what would happen if you could witness one with your own eyes? Imagine being an astronaut, floating through the vastness of space, when suddenly a massive star right in front of you starts to violently expand. This is what happens in a supernova, one of the most powerful and awe-inspiring events in the universe. A supernova is essentially a star explosion, and it's so bright that it can be seen from millions of light years away. A kilonova occurs when two neutron stars, some of the densest objects in the universe, spiral into each other and collide. In just a few seconds, they unleash more energy than our sun will emit in its entire lifetime. The lights, the radiation, and the raw power make supernovas look tame by comparison. If a kilonova happened within our galaxy, say, just a few thousand light years away, you wouldn't need a telescope. The explosion would shine brighter than a full moon. It might even outshine Venus and rival daylight. Imagine stepping outside at midnight and being able to read a book under its glow. Witnessing a supernova in real time is incredibly rare. Most supernovae occur in distant galaxies, and by the time their light reaches us, it's just a faint flicker in the night sky. Even when a supernova does occur relatively close to us, it's still a challenge for scientists to predict exactly when and where it will happen. They study the life cycles of stars, looking for those that are nearing the end of their fuel. But it's a bit like trying to predict a lottery draw. Some stars end their lives with a whimper, while others go out with a bang. The science behind supernova is pretty fascinating. There are two main types, Type Ia and Type 2. Type Ia supernova occur when a white dwarf star in a binary system accumulates material from a companion star until it reaches a critical mass, causing it to explode. Type 2 supernova happen when a massive star runs out of fuel and collapses under its own gravity, leading to a massive explosion. In the moments leading up to the explosion, the star undergoes significant changes. It may swell up to 100 times its original size, and its surface temperature can drop, causing it to change color. But it wouldn't just be white light. A kilonova would paint the sky with dazzling colors, brilliant blues, deep reds, and shimmering golds as heavy elements are forged in the blast. You'd literally be watching new gold, platinum, and uranium being born in real time. Here's the scary part. Seeing a kilonova might not be safe at all. The light itself wouldn't blind you, but the radiation could. A nearby kilonova would blast Earth with gamma rays and X-rays, powerful enough to shred the ozone layer. Plants would wither, animals would suffer, and mass extinctions could follow. Thankfully, the universe keeps most of these cosmic fireworks far away. If you were right there when a supernova exploded, the experience would be indescribable. The star would suddenly and brilliantly light up, outshining an entire galaxy. The light would be blindingly bright, and the heat would be intense, potentially affecting the surrounding space. You might hear a shockwave of energy move through space, though in the vacuum of space, sound doesn't travel like it does on Earth. The explosion would also emit a massive amount of radiation, including X-rays and gamma rays, which could have profound effects on any nearby matter. A naked-eye kilonova would change us. It would inspire myths, ignite fear, and maybe unite humanity in awe of the cosmos. Imagine live broadcasts, 24/7, sky streams, people traveling across the globe just to get the perfect view. For a brief moment in history, the entire planet would be looking up together. So, what if you could witness a kilonova with the naked eye? It would be beautiful, terrifying, and unforgettable. A cosmic reminder that we are tiny travelers in a violent, breathtaking universe. The question is, when the next one comes, will we be ready to see it? But what are the chances of you actually seeing one? Astronomers say kilonovas in the Milky Way are rare, maybe one every 100,000 years. In 2017, telescopes caught one 130 million light years away. That was faint, even with powerful instruments. But if the next one happened in our cosmic backyard, the whole world would stop to watch. In summary, supernova are mind-blowing cosmic events that remind us of the universe's incredible power and beauty. They play a crucial role in shaping the universe as we know it, dispersing elements that will eventually form new stars and planets. So, what do you think it would be like to witness a supernova up close? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're as fascinated by cosmic phenomena as I am, be sure to check out my video on what happens if a black hole appears in our solar system. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.